You ask me for a hairstyle that's good for going to school and still looks beautiful. But I don't know how to style my hair. What should I do? Let's start with me. Come on, you can see this style. You don't need to go out of your way to style your hair. I will teach you how to do it easily. You can do this hairstyle to go to school or go out on your own. First, part your hair in the middle or part it on the side. Next, we take the hair from small to large. That means we take it in a diagonal triangle shape. And we take the hair in a diagonal way from the top until it reaches the earlobe. Small in front and big in back, like a triangle. This type of parting is more stylish than straight parting. And for the hair tie, you can choose any color or just one color like in this video. In this video, I only use purple. This style only takes us 5 minutes to make. So you tie it like that. We start by taking a hair clip, we put it in like that. You always see people doing this kind of braided look that's stuck to their head. Now we don't worry about that. If you don't know how to braid or you're not good at braiding hair, you might not be able to do it on your own. So, you can follow this method instead. It's quick and easy. You can also do this hairstyle for your child to go to school. And it's like a beautiful stripe, and it's highlighted with rubber. Before doing it, I always apply a hair serum. It helps to make the hair soft and shiny and helps to moisturize the hair. It's our hair, you know, it helps to smooth it. When doing your hair, curling it, or straightening it, I always use serum because when I wash my hair with this shampoo, my hair grows so much, like my hair used to be really thin before. Small in front and big in back, like a triangle. This type of parting is more stylish than straight parting. And for the hair tie, you can choose any color or just one color like in this video. I want to say that this model, if compared to the others, is more beautiful because it looks young. And most importantly, it's easy to do. It's done in a flash, and it doesn't take long like the ones we have to hold for a really long time. When it comes to the ends, I'll apply a serum to the ends. This model can be lift down or up. Even if you want to lift it, for those of you who want to lift it like I am trying to lift it. This model is really easy to make and can be down or up as you want. So, you can to learn or follow this style. It is beautiful and cute.